In the primetime news this evening, 10 students hospitalized after bus overturns along the Gordon Town main road.
The rapid pace of high-rise buildings blamed for flooding.
And JFJ reiterates call for body-worn cameras during police operations. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's, I was about to say Jeffwan Keys, but it's actually Anthony Lugg.
It's not Keys, Janella. But Jamaica's trade deficit has expanded, and Caribbean Airlines says they'll be pulling out of Jamaica with that Fort Lauderdale flight. I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
She said, he's shorter than I am. But Spencer Darlington, not short at all, and not short on sports. What's coming up in Primetime Sports, Spencer?
Thank you, Archie. Well, following her retirement from track and field, sprint legend Shelley Ann Fraser-Price got a royal welcome home on Monday. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
She says she's not retired. She has one more sports day in her.
Would that be her son's
school?
All right. So Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We're continuing to monitor the tropical wave that is expected in the vicinity of the Jamaica area this weekend. Currently, we still have high pressure dominating much of the central portions of the Caribbean, however.
Thanks, Romain. And there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. So weather in detail in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Okay, so Archie, this evening we are asking, following last week's rain in Kingston and Montego Bay, are you confident that the country can withstand a major weather event? We're asking our viewers to give reasons for their answer.
And of course, you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post your comments as well, as always, on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.